Hello everyone, myself Joshi. Today we are going to study a topic named factorization. So let's start factorization. In mathematics, factorization is the decomposition of an object into a product of other object which when multiplied together give the original. Okay, so for example if we have 15, okay, so we can write 3 into 5. So if you will multiply this, you will get the same answer 15. Okay, so if we have polynomial x square minus 4, we can write x minus 2x plus 2. Okay, again if you will multiply this 2, you will get this answer. So this factorization is the opposite process of expanding brackets. Now let's study a few examples. Here we have 2x square minus 128. Okay, so we firstly will take out 2 common. Okay, so it will give you x square minus 64. Okay, now we will use the formula a square minus b square, that is a minus b, a plus b. Okay, so this is x minus 8, x plus 8. Alright, now let's move to the next example. Here we have x cube plus 216. So firstly this 216 we will write in the cube form. So this is 6 cube. Okay, now we know this formula a cube plus b cube is equal to what? A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, right? So from this you will get x plus 6 a plus b, that is x plus 6 into a square, means here it will come x square minus 6x plus 36. Okay, so this is your answer. Now let's move to the next example. This is 8x cube minus 27. So 8x cube we can write it like this. 2x cube minus this 27 we can write it like this 3 cube. So now we will apply the formula a cube minus b cube, that is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, so here 2x minus 3 into now a square, so it will give you 4x square plus a into b, so 6x plus b square means 9. Okay, so this is your answer. Now let's factorize this. So we have 4x square plus 15y plus 3yx plus 20x. So firstly we'll write these two terms together, okay, and this 15y plus 3yx. Now we'll take 4x common from this 2, okay, so you will get x plus 5 over here, okay. We can take 3y common from this 2 terms, so you will get x plus 5. Also we can take x plus 5 common, okay, so we have x plus 5 into 4x plus 3y. Okay, now let's factorize this term. So the question is x square plus 5x plus 6, x square minus 5x plus 6, x square plus 5x minus 6, and x square minus 5x minus 6. Okay, so the numbers are same, only we have sign different at different places. Okay, so let's start with the first sum. X square plus 5x plus 6. Okay, so firstly we'll find the factors of 6. Okay, and the factors, the additions of that factor should be 5. So if we take 3 and 2, okay, and if we add them, okay, so we will get the answer 5. So this we can write it like this: x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. Okay, now take out x common from this, so we have x plus 3, 2 common, so x plus 3. Okay, take out x plus 3 common, so x plus 3 into x plus 2. The next sum, x square minus 5x plus 6. Now we need the factors of 6, but the answer should be what? Minus 5. So if you will take 3 and 2, answer is 5. So we cannot take 3 and 2. So we'll take minus 3 and minus 2. Why we are taking both minus? Because multiplication of these two terms we need plus 6. Okay, and if we add the minus 3 minus 2, it will give you minus 5. Right? So factors will be x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. Again, take out x common, so x minus 3 will take out minus 2 common, so x minus 3 the factors of minus 6. Okay, but so we need two numbers whose multiplication is minus 6 and addition is plus 5. Okay, so we'll write it like this: 6 and minus 1. So 6 into minus 1 will give you minus 6, and if you will add them, it will give you 5. Okay, so here we have x square plus 6x minus 6. Okay, take out x common, so x plus 6 will take out minus 1 common, so x plus 6. Okay, so this is x plus 6 into x minus 1 is the answer. The fourth example, x square minus 5x minus 6. Okay, so we need the factors of minus 6, but its addition should be minus 5. So we take minus 6 and 1. If you will multiply this two, you will get minus 6, and if you will add them, you will get minus 5 this term. Okay, so we'll write it like this: x square minus 6x plus x minus 6. Take out x common, so x minus 6. Here we'll take out 1 common, so x minus 6. Therefore your final answer is x minus 6 into x plus 1. Okay, now let's solve one more example. Here we have 6x square minus 5x minus 6. So multiply this two term. Okay, so it will give you minus 36. Now we need the factors of minus 36, and the answer should be what? Minus 5, right? So we have to find the different factors of minus 36. Okay, so if you will take suppose minus 6 and suppose plus 6, right? But you will not get minus 5 over here. Our target should be the two numbers such that its multiplication should be minus 36 and addition should be minus 5. So we'll take minus 9 and 4. Okay, so if you will multiply, you will get minus 36, and if you will add them, you will get minus 5. So this is 6x square minus 9x plus 4x minus 6. Take out 3x common, so here we have 2x minus 3 plus 2 common, so 2x minus 3. So at last your final answer is 2x minus 3 into 3x plus 2. Next example, find value of x if 5x square plus 29x plus 20 equal to 0 is given to you. Okay, so this is given. So first multiply 5 into 20. Okay, so it will give you 100. Now we need to find the factors of 100, and its answer should be 29. Okay, so if you will take 25 into 4, okay, so multiplication is 100, and if you will add them, you will get answer 29. So this is 5x square plus 25x plus 4x plus 20. Okay, we can take out 5x common, so here x plus 5, 4 common, so x plus 5. Okay, so equals to 0 we have, right? So x plus 5 into 5x plus 4 is equal to 0. So from this you will get the answer of x is minus 5, and from here we'll get 5x is equal to minus 4. Therefore x is equal to minus 4 upon 5. Okay, now let's move to the next example. If x square plus 3x plus 1 equal to 0 is given, and we need to find x. Okay, so x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0 is given. So we have 1, and we need factors such that its addition is 3. This is not possible. Okay, so to solve this type of example, we will use this formula to find the roots, that is minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2. Now to use this formula, we need to compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so from this your a is what? 1, b is 3, and c is what? 1. Okay, we'll substitute the answer of a, b, c. So here minus 3 plus or minus under root b square is 9 minus 4. A is 1, c is 1. Okay, upon 2 into again a is 1. So minus 3 plus or minus, here we have under root 5. Okay, and upon 2. So you will get the answer of x as minus 3 plus root 5 upon 2, and another answer is minus 3 minus root 5 upon 2. Okay, next. is x square plus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, and we need to find the value of x. So here we have 5. Okay, and we need the factors such that its addition is 2. So you will not get directly, right? So we need to again use this formula, minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, again compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay, so from this you will get the answer of a is 1, b as 2 and c as 5, right? So solve this. So this is minus 2 plus or minus under root b square means 4 minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 5, right? Upon 2a, so 2 into 1. So this is minus 2 plus or minus under root. Here we have 4 minus 20 upon 2. Okay, so what you will get answer x is minus 2 plus or minus under root here minus 16. Okay, upon 2. Now we know that under root minus 1 is plus or minus I. Okay, so we'll substitute over here minus 2 plus or minus. Here we have I and under root 16 will give you 4. So 4I upon 2. You can take out 2 common and cancel. So minus 1 plus or minus 2I. Okay, so this is the answer of x. Next example. Factorize the polynomial x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. Now previously we have factorized quadratic equation, okay, and now this is a cubic equation. So to find the first root, we need to use a trial and error method. Means we have to take the different values of x and substitute in this polynomial and check whether we are getting answer 0 or not. So for that we'll take different value of x such as 1, 2, 3. Okay, and many times we need to check minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. Okay, so we'll take different values of x, we'll substitute over here and we'll check whether we are getting answer 0 or not. So if you will substitute x is equal to 1 over here, okay, so you will get 1 minus 6 plus 11 minus 6. So this is 12 minus 12, it will give you 0. So what does that mean? That this x is equal to 1 is one of the root. Okay, so x is equal to 1 is one of the root. Now we will use the synthetic division method to solve this further. Okay, so for that we'll keep this 1 outside and we'll write the coefficients over here. So the first coefficient is 1, then minus 6, 11 and minus 6. Okay, the next step is bring this 1 over here. Now this 1 we will multiply with this 1. So 1 into 1 it will give you 1. We'll write over here. Okay. Then minus 6 plus 1. Here we need to add them. Okay. So it will give you minus 5. So minus 5 into 1. So here we have minus 5. Okay. So 11 minus 5 it will give you 6. 6 into 1 here 6. So answer is 0. Okay. So if x is equal to 1 is your root, then you will definitely get 0 over here. Okay, if you are not getting 0, there might be some mistake over here. Okay, now we will write it like this. Here we have x is equal to 1 as a root, so we will write x minus 1, and from this 3 term we will write x square minus 5x plus 6. Okay, now we'll simplify this further. Okay, so we have simplified it. Okay, this is minus 3 into minus 2, it will give root like this. So this is x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. Simplify further. So this is x minus 3, x minus 3 over here, right? Therefore, the final answer is x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. Okay. Now let's solve one more example. Factorize the polynomial x cube plus 3x square minus 4x minus 12. This is a cubic polynomial, so we'll use the trial and error method. So for example, take x is equal to 1. Okay, so this is 1 plus 3 minus 4 minus 12. So this is not equal to 0. Okay, so this x is equal to 1 is not a root. So let's check for another number x is equal to 2. So if you will substitute x is equal to 2 over here, right? So this is 8 plus here 3 into 4, then here minus 4 into 2 minus 12. And on simplification, you will get the answer 0. This means that that x is equal to 2 is a root. Okay, so x equal to 2 is a root, so we'll keep this 2 outside over here and we will write down the coefficients, that is 1, 3, minus 4 and minus 12. Okay, now the first task is same, bring this 1 over here. So 1 into 2 it will give you 2. Add them, so it will give you 5 into 2 it will give you 10 over here. Okay, so from this you will get 6 into 2 here 12 and this term is 0, right? X is equal to 2 is root, therefore we will write x minus 2. Now from this 3 term we will write x square plus 5x plus 6. Okay, so this is x minus 2. Again, we know this is 3x plus 2x plus 6, right? Simplify this, so x plus 3 plus 2x plus 3, right? So your final answer is x minus 2, x plus 2 and x plus 3. Okay, now let's solve one more example. Here we have x cube plus x square minus 21x minus 45 equal to 0. Okay, so firstly let's check for x is equal to 1. So if you will check for x is equal to 1, here you will have 1 plus 1 minus 21 minus 45. This is not equal to 0. So for suppose we will check for x is equal to 2. So here you will get 8 plus 4 here minus 21 into 2 minus 45. Again you will get not equal to 0 answer. Okay, so in this way we need to check for different values of x until we get the value of x for which this term is 0. Okay, now we'll check for some negative numbers also. Okay, so for example if you will check for x is equal to minus 1, you will not get 0 answer. Okay, for x is equal to minus 2 also we are not getting 0. You will get the 0 answer for x is equal to minus 3. If you will substitute minus 3 over here, you will get the answer 0, right? Therefore, x is equal to minus 3 will be your root. You can verify this by substituting in this equation. Okay, so minus 3 is root, so we'll write minus 3 outside. Here we have 1, 1, minus 21, minus 45. Okay, 1 we will bring over here, so this is 1 right here, minus 3. 1 minus 3, so it will give you minus 2. Okay, minus 2 into minus 3 it will give you plus 6, right? So what you will get over here, minus 50. Okay, minus 15 into minus 3 it will give you 45 and at last here we have 0. Now our root is minus 3. Okay, so here we need to write x plus 3. Okay, from this 3 term we will write x square minus 2x minus 15 is equal to 0. Okay, now in the question we have solved, so we need to find the value of x. Okay, so we'll solve it further. Now we have minus 50. Okay, and we need to find the root such that we get answer minus 2. So if you will take minus 5 and 3, okay, so minus 5 into 3 it will give you 50, and if you will add them you will get minus 2. Okay, so this is x plus 3. Here we have x square minus 5x plus 3x minus 15 equal to 0. Simplify further. Okay, so x will take out common, x minus 5 plus 3x minus 5 equals to 0. Okay, so from this x plus 3, x minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. So the answer of x is what? Minus 3, minus 3 and 5 from these 3 terms. Okay, so this is your final answer. So I hope you have understood throughout the session. Thank you for watching.